Unlike domestic sewage, wastewater from industries like petroleum, paper manufacturing, metal extraction and processing, chemical manufacturing, etc., often contain substances, notably heavy metals defined as elements with density such as dash dash, comma dash, etc., and a variety of organic compounds. A few toxic substances, often present in industrial wastewater, can undergo biological magnification, that is in the aquatic food chain. Biomagnification refers to increase in concentration of the at successive trophic levels. This happens because a toxic substance accumulated by an organism cannot be metabolized or excreted and is thus passed on to the next level. This phenomenon is well known for mercury and Figure 16.5 shows biomagnification of in an aquatic food chain. In this manner, the concentration of DDT is increased at successive trophic levels. See, if it starts at ppb, that is parts per billion in water, it can ultimately reach ppm, part per million in fish eating birds through high concentration of disturb calcium metabolism in birds, which causes of eggshell and their premature breaking, eventually causing decline in bird populations. माइंड कैप्चर कीजिए फिगर 16.5 बायोमैग्निफिकेशन ऑफ डीडीटी इन एन एक्वाटिक फूड चेन. वाटर में डीडीटी 0.003 पीपीबी है. जू प्लैंकटन में डीडीटी का पीपीएम में बताइए. स्मॉल फिश में डीडीटी का कंसंट्रेशन पीपीएम में. लार्ज फिश में डीडीटी का कंसंट्रेशन पीपीएम में. फिश ईटिंग बर्ड्स में डीडीटी का कंसंट्रेशन पीपीएम में. चलिए नेक्स्ट रिवाइज कीजिए यूट्रोफिकेशन के बारे में. चलिए डैश इज द नेचुरल एजिंग ऑफ ए लेक बाय न्यूट्रिएंट इनरिचमेंट ऑफ इट्स वाटर. इन ए लॉन्ग जी हाँ इन ए यंग लेक the is cold and clear, supporting little life. With time, streams draining into the lake introduce nutrients such as and which encourage the growth of aquatic organisms. As the lake's fertility increases, and life, burgeons, and organic remains begin to be deposited on the lake bottom. Over the centuries, as Silt and debris pile up. The lake grows with warm water organisms supplanting those that thrive in a cold environment. Plants take root in the and begin to fill in the original lake basin. Eventually, the lake gives way to large masses of floating plants that is finally converting into Depending on climate, size of the lake, and other factors, the natural aging of the lake may span thousands of years. However, from man's activities like from the industries and homes can radically accelerate the process. The phenomenon has been called or during the past century. Lakes in many parts of the earth have been severely by sewage and agriculture and industrial wastes. The prime contaminants are and which act as plant nutrients. They overstimulate the growth of causing unsightly scum and odors and robbing the water of dissolved oxygen vital to other aquatic life. At the same time, other pollutants following into a lake may who populations of whose decomposing remains for the the water's dissolved oxygen content. In such fashion, a lake can literally choke to death. Wastewaters flowing out of electricity generating units. Example important category of pollutants. Thermal wastewater eliminates or reduces the number of sensitive to high temperature and may enhance the growth of plants and fish in areas, but only after causing damage to the indigenous flora and fauna.